So let's say you're given this equation, 2 times the quantity of p plus 6 equals 20, and you're asked to solve for p. They're basically asking you, what is the value or what number can you substitute in for p that will make this side of the equation equal to the value of 20? It's a very simple way that you can solve this, and you don't always have to use PEMDAS. I'm going to show you a way that I use sometimes. So D stands for distribute. I'm going to start there. So I'll distribute the 2 to the p and to the 6. This is multiplication. 2 times p is going to give us 2p, and 2 times 6 is going to give us 12. And then I'll bring down whatever I didn't touch in the equation. So equals 20. Distribute is done. The next is going to be opposite. So I'm going to have my numbers on one side of the equal sign, and then on the other side will be any number that has a variable attached to it or a variable itself. I want the 12 and the 20 on the same side of the equal sign. So the 20 is already over here by itself. I'm going to bring the 12 over on the same side as the 20. But the only way I can do that is by using the opposite operation, okay? So we call it in math the inverse operation. I'm going to turn the plus 12 to a minus 12. And whatever you do on one side of the equal sign is what you have to do on the other side of the equal sign. That's a rule in algebra. This crosses out because 12 minus 12 equals 0. And over here, 20 minus 12 is going to be equal to 8. Again, I bring down what wasn't touched. 2p equals 8. Opposite is done. C stands for combining like terms. Well, if you look on this side of the equal sign, there are no like terms to combine because there's only one term. If you look on the right side of the equal sign, there's only one term here, so there's nothing to combine. That part is actually done. Last step is isolate. So we want to isolate the variable. The variable is the letter p in this case. So 2 and p connected together. This really means 2 times p. Whatever number is attached to the variable, which we call a coefficient, is what is going to be divided by on both sides of the equation. So we divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. In math, we can just leave it alone and write p equals, and on the other side, 8 divided by 2 is 4.